how to upload an album on SoundCloud. So if you want to upload an album on SoundCloud, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for SoundCloud and then make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your SoundCloud, now you need to go with the top right, which has that profile option, and then click on the profile. Once you're on your profile here, you will have albums. You need to click on albums. Under albums, as you can see that you will have upload now option. You need to click on upload. And in order to upload something, you need to verify your email. So you just need simply open up your mail. Under mail, you'll receive a verification from SoundCloud. Now confirm your email by clicking here. And that's it. Your email address has been confirmed. Now go back to the page, reload. After reloading, you'll get the send interface. Now you just need simply go with choose files and then choose your files. But before uploading something, make sure that you have an artist profile or artist pro profile or the subscription. If you don't have these subscriptions, then you won't be able to upload. So make sure that you have these, and then you can go with choose files, drag and drop the audio files to get started. And in this way, you'll be able to upload an album on your SoundCloud. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.